No, Sala, just haven't rescheduled the meeting tomorrow evening. I'm kinda stuck here. I'm in a lounge. My flight got delayed. It's raining. I wonder if they'll even allow my planes to take off in this weather. This sucks. I'm going to spend all morning tomorrow recovering from jet lag. Yeah, one sec, I'm on the phone. What? No, seat's not taken. Feel free. Nobody, Stella. Listen, I don't think the investors are in any position to complain, especially given our company's profits this quarter, so... Late evening sounds great. Thanks, Stella. You're the best. Bye now. Be safe out there. Oh yeah, nice to meet you. I'm Pepe? Is that you? Oh my gosh. Hey, fancy running into you here. How have you been? Of course I still remember my nickname for you. You brought a can of Dr. Pepper to lunch every day. You used to drink so much of the stuff back then. I'm amazed you're still functioning. Oh, it's a drink of the intelligent? This again? You really never grew up, Peppy, did you? It's nice. Yeah, it really is nice to see the same person I remember after all this time. What? You still don't like my nickname for you? Good, Peppy it is then. How long has it been? I've nearly lost track of the years. Life has been such a whirlwind for me. Constantly in motion, never enough time to stop and process things. It's tiring. Yeah, I'm here to catch a plane. Shame it's raining out there though. Please, what's romantic about being stuck in an airport lounge because your flight got delayed? Rain's rain, it wets your clothes and it soaks your hair. Nothing more, nothing less. Sorry, all those romantic movies you forced me to watch didn't rub off on me after all. I only watched those movies because you'd watch them with me back then. Or, something else. Yeah. Anyway, how have you been? Tell me everything. What did you do after school? Oh wow. That's really cool. Drinking all that Dr. Pepper paid off, huh? Drink of the intelligent, indeed. What? No, I'm not making fun of you. No, I'm being serious, silly. It is a very impressive degree. I'm happy for you. So, what are you up to these days? Exactly. Oh, you lost your job? I'm sorry. It's just how the industry is currently. Lots of payoffs happening everywhere. It's not your fault in the slightest. Hey, look at me. Eyes on me. No, you're not shrugging your way out of this one. I know you hate getting compliments, but tough luck, you ran into me, and I'm going to forcefully remind you how wonderful you are. So listen well. They are idiots for letting you go. Okay? You deserve better. Anyone will be so lucky to have you. Even me? Well, yeah, of course. You heard me talking on the phone earlier. That was Styla, my secretary. So about a year ago, some people thought it would be a good idea to make me CEO of... You seen the ad? Oh god. No, how could you, Pappy? How am I ever going to live this one down? Not that bad? Are you for real? Still being the nice guy, huh? Yes, it was that bad. I can't believe people still buy our products, and to this day, I don't know whose bright idea it was to get a company CEO acting in a commercial. When I find them, oh baby, I am firing them. Trust me on that. Oh, I'm glad you thought I looked pretty on national television. Yep, I dressed up just for you on that day. It's not what you think, really. Being CEO is not that big of a deal. It just means more work and more responsibilities. And I find myself sighing a lot more frequently now. Yeah, the money's good. It's just a person only needs so much to live happily, you know? And after a point, the numbers just stop making sense. Okay, enough about that. What have you been up to lately, Oh, you've been watching a lot of seals on Nat Geo lately? And you sold your car last month and landed a new job out of the country? I didn't expect to hear some of those words in the same sentence, but congrats on the new job. Out of the country, huh? May I ask why? I see. They're directly sending you to an overseas office. How long will you be away for? 3 years. Hey. Wow. I see. Is that why you're here now? Catching plane to Norway? I hear it's a very beautiful place. The mountains and fjords. There's something you should see at least once in your lifetime, right? Norway. That's quite far away, isn't it? Me? Oh, I'm supposed to be in Dubai tomorrow. It might as well be a completely different planet, huh? Yeah, I'm alright. I'm glad I got to see you after so long. You look good. Wow, thank you. Still the charmer, I see. Hey, about the car you sold, it wouldn't happen to be the one in which we, you know. Oh, that's the one? Oh no, it's okay. It's your car. You did nothing wrong. It was old and probably not working anymore, right? Why would you cling on to it? It doesn't make any sense. It makes no sense. Yeah, I missed you too. We used to be really close, didn't we? You stutter and tell everyone I was your girl and get so flustered over it. I used to love that. I really thought we would. Never mind that. Look at us. You're heading up to a fresh start in a new country, and I'm going to a different country to make a stupid presentation to show how I can make a bunch of rich people even richer. We really come a long way from making out on the hood of your car, huh? Oh, the hood of your car was alright? Yeah, I wouldn't know. I wasn't the one pressed up against it most of the time. Hey, no looking sad at farewells, okay? We had a good run, didn't we? One thing that hasn't changed at all over the years is that I still like you. A lot. Please remember that. That seemed like my plane in the distance. You're right. I can almost make out the logo from here. Do you like planes? Oh, and why is that? Because you think falling in love is like getting on an airplane? What? No, that's not only cheesy, it's just plain silly. Falling in love is like driving a car, tiptoeing around autumn leaves, going scuba diving up to a break, and getting on an airplane. It depends on where you are in life. Everyone knows that. Really? You want me to explain? Now? Well, falling in love is like driving a car for college students. They want to have fun, not worry about signing prenups or starting a family. Most of them, anyway. It's like lowering the car roof and driving full speed down an open road, feeling the wind in your hair, no traffic lights or cops chasing you down until you hit the speed breaker. And it's like tiptoeing around autumn leaves for two coworkers in love. They need to be careful not to make a noise. Don't want HR finding out about any workspace romance. We've had a few cases. Messy affairs. Trust me. And it's like scuba diving after a break. For them who are coming out of a long relationship and happen to meet someone new. They want to dive again to explore, but it has been a while since they went under. There's this fear of losing yourself in the abyss somewhere, but also possibilities. And it's like boarding an airplane for two people who fall in love all over again, but can't stay. One of them boards the plane, leaving the ground behind, and with it, the person they care about most. Can I borrow your phone? I'll give you my new number, if that's okay. Thank you. That's my plane pulling up. I really should go now. You too. Take care of yourself, baby. And please don't drink so much soda, okay? It's really not good for you. I did the right thing, didn't I? There's no way we could have made it work. My life is filled with conferences and board meetings and phone calls and paperwork, and I don't think he's interested in me anymore. He couldn't be. It's impossible. God, I hate the rain. Should have brought an umbrella. Should have said something more. Should have worn a hoodie or a raincoat or should have stayed. This is for the best. It really is. He might call me, but I'll be too busy to pick up. Then I'll call him back, but he won't be in the mood anymore, and then we'll just talk about pizza and seals and the weather. Then we'll flirt a little, but it'll be way too awkward and weird, and then I'll feel sleepy because I'm so tired, and then I fell asleep. This was for the best. This was for... What? What are you doing here? Hey, watch out! The tarmac's slippery. You shouldn't... Run. Oh dear, are you okay? What happened? Did your flight get cancelled? Do you need me to book you another? I think I can probably... What? But Norway, new job. What do you mean you're not going? Yes, it's cold up there, but what is that? Oh, you forgot to pack warm clothes. Oh, that does sound like you, not gonna lie. Well, what are you gonna do now? Come with me. What? There's, I don't think there are any seats left on my plane. Yeah, you're right. We'll figure out something. Let me just make a few phone calls, okay? I can probably arrange something. What are we? What a silly thing to ask. You're mine, and I'm still your girl. I love you. I'm sorry for not saying it earlier. I love you. Yeah, I know. Let's start again, shall we? And let's not drift apart this time. Promise? Good. Although, I should warn you, it'll take you a while to get used to my lifestyle. Lots of traveling and hotel rooms and people and... Oh God, the jet lag. The jet lag is the worst. Are you really sure you want this? Want me? On one condition? And what's that? Don't call you Pappy? That's your condition? Seriously? Well, what am I supposed to call my boyfriend then? Really? Are you sure you know what you're asking for? Oh, you truly haven't changed, have you? Alright then, if that's what you want, puppy.